To replace the batteries in the ZOLL AED Plus, it's necessary to remove the back cover. A key to depress the tabs is usually the easiest way to do that. You lift this cover off, you'll see the 10 Duracell 123 lithium ion batteries. These are designed to be replaced in a series. So there are 4 here with 1 bridging the other 4. And so if you replace these, it's good to replace them in a sequence. And then once you do that, you'll notice there's a button here. You press that button, that will reset the timer, allowing you to track the 5-year shelf life or in-service life of the batteries. 5 years on the shelf, 5 years in the device. And then at the end of that 5 years, the AED will signal it's time to replace those AEDs. And again, you can track the battery life using the FC Safety Shield as well. And then to replace the cover, simply place the top into the grooves and press down on the tab. You hear the click, and then that will be, again, secured with that waterproof seal around the batteries.